Hey everyone, Lou here, and in today's video, I have to show you a video regarding some piggy banks. I saw this video and it blew my mind so much that I have to bring it to you. I have to share this with you. Don't forget to check out the description below with some great links to other videos, resources, and programs that I love. Okay, are you ready for this? I can't believe what I'm about to show you. And for all of those who give me flack about saying piggy banks won't make you rich, they won't make you a millionaire because your money's not working for you, and I come back and say it's not about your money working for you, it's about creating a habit. Check out this teenage girl's habit. This is crazy. Are you ready for this? And I should say huge shout out to VT Aren't People Great Facebook page.
Oh.
She broke the pig.
Hold on. How long have you been saving this?
Since 17.
17. You're 19 right now.
Yeah.
First, show me the shoebox over there.
This is for my Bad Bunny ticket.
That's for the Bad Bunny tickets?
Yeah, I'll probably use like this.
Before we go any further, did you notice? This is from age 17 to age 19. This young woman has created such an amazing habit in 2 years, in her teenage years. This young woman has got a very bright future.
Much of it and save that.
I'm gonna take the
Okay. I'm so happy she has all this money in these piggy bank, her owl bank. But every time they break them with a hammer, it literally, like, I feel like I'm being hit with a hammer inside my, not a hamburger, a hammer inside my gut. So if you see me flinch, that's why. She broke them.
Oh no! See it come out the nose. Oh no!
Oh, just hit it down. Hit it down.
Right here?
No, on the nose zone. You want to hit it. That's gonna make a mess.
Oh yeah.
On the side. Yeah, right there. Oh.
Even though it pains me to watch her break these open, this is freaking amazing.
Let me just. Oh, use the lemon drink.
Yeah.
If this is her tip money, I bet she is a damn great server. Like seriously, 2 years?
Big one. Which one do you fill first? The little ones or the big ones?
I filled up this one first, and then the owl, and then this one, and then the gallon. The money from here was in here. This one's so pretty though. I think that was at the flea market. I don't remember. Just take her eyelashes off.
She put eyelashes on her pig. I don't really have pigs that have big eyes that I could put eyelashes on them, but that'd be cool. But what that tells me is the fact that she's taking care of her pig. She dressed it up. She wanted eyelashes on it. She respected, as I spit on my computer, she respected the item that her money was being held in. That is such a money mindset piece. You look at some people and their money's just everywhere. There's no respect for money when your money is everywhere. Keeping it in something that you respect, that you love, that you find joy in, changes the mindset around money in incredible ways. So let's watch her take the eyelashes off before she breaks it.
Where though? It's so
Don't
pretty.
do.
But right here.
But see, okay, she loves this pig so much, she doesn't want to break it. She's trying to figure out a way to get the money out without breaking it. She doesn't want to break it.
It would be really hard to take off.
She has an attachment to this pig.
I just do it. Come on.
She's like, okay, fine. Let's just do this. I can replace the pig.
Yep. Oh.
What?
That's crazy. How much does he estimate again for the day?
1546 plus
$1,546 in her shoebox. Plus, she can't even count it all. I can see 100 right there. She's swimming. She literally probably could lay down and start swimming.
No, I don't know.
I don't know how much money I have. I don't know. Yeah, that's a good question. If you manage to save this much money, they're asking how much or how would you spend it? I'm going to say to you, what would you do with it? And if you're going to spend it, tell me in the comments below what you're spending it on. But if you're not going to spend it, tell me what you're going to do with it. She's got a good few $1,000s.
So there's a bunch of things. There's 20 over here. 20.
I'd be happy to go over and sort her money for her. I don't want any of it. I just want to sort it and count it. What? What? Don't tell me piggy banks don't create amazing savings habits. Because now she can take that money and she can go and invest it. She can do something with it. She can put that money to work. But the point of what she did is she saved for 2 years. She learned to not live off of all that money. She put it away. That's the habit of the piggy bank. I need to meet this young woman. I want to know where she is now, what's she doing. I want to see what her new piggy banks look like. So if you have teenagers, get them to put a portion of whatever they're bringing in cash away, even if it's in a piggy bank. For yourself, do this. Like, this is a habit. This is creating financial habits. And I just showed you a video that gave you proof of that. And I don't know about you, but, well, first, I will never break them. I just can't bring it to I'd rather sit there and pick them all out one at a time than break them. But I cannot wait till I get to open all of these and they look just like that. And then I get to turn around and do something with the money that helped me create an amazing financial habit. I will make sure to post the link to this video below. Share this video with your friends and family. Show them what piggy banks can actually do for you. It's not just about change, as in coins. It's about change in habits. Until next time, Lou Clark saying, just get yourself a piggy bank and start today.